Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everyone is doing good. As in the previous lesson, we learned about phonic sound. Today we will revise lesson 1. A, A, B, 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 K, K, D, D, E, E, F, F. Let's start English lesson 2. Our first sound is G. G. G grapes. G grapes. G grapes. G for grapes. Grapes is a fruit. Grapes is a fruit. Now next sound is H. H. H for house. H for house. This is beautiful house. H for house. Now next sound is E. E. E for igloo. E for igloo. Wow, what a cold weather. Igloo. Igloo. Now next sound is J. J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the water. Jellyfish live in the water. J for jellyfish. Now next sound is K. K. K for king. K for king. K for king. Now next sound is L. L. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. 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 Okay, revise again. A, B, K, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, E, E, J, J, K, K, L. This sound is L. Okay children, revise these sounds with their vocabulary at home. Okay, stay healthy and take care. Allah Hafiz.